sweet carrot vermicelli pasta soup, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dessert soup recipes and one of the most different of the snack recipes and one of the most unique of the vermicelli recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pasta recipes, one of the most nutritious of the pasta soup recipes, one of the most unique of the carrot recipes. Today we're going to make carrot vermicelli pasta soup. The ingredients are around 25 grams of raisins, around 15 grams of cashew, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 100 grams of roasted vermicelli pasta, and around 100 grams of grated carrot. So you've taken carrots and grated them into fine strands. Heat the pan and pour 15 grams of clarified butter. Let the butter melt in the pan and spread it in the pan. Now put in the cashew, salt, salt till the cashew is nicely brown. And take off the pan. Now put in the raisins. Until the raisins become puffed. And take off the pan. Now put in the grated carrot. Now put in the vermicelli pasta and put in the cardamom pods. Keep on sauteing. Now put in the 1/2 cup of sugar, mix. Thoroughly mix. Pour in 100 ml of water. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Now let this mixture cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Let it boil. After cooking for 3 minutes, pour in 100 ml of milk. Mix and let this mixture cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture boil and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. salt, mix, thoroughly mix. Now let the mixture cook for further 3 to 5 minutes. And after cooking for the required amount of time, put in the cashew and the raisins as topping. Mix and let the mixture cook for a minute and take off the flame. Now the carrot vermicelli pasta soup is ready, or the sweet carrot vermicelli pasta soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final sweet carrot vermicelli pasta soup, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the snack recipes, and one of the most different of the dessert soup recipes, and one of the most unique of the dessert recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the vermicelli recipes, and one of the most different of the pasta recipes, and one of the most unique of the pasta soup recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the vermicelli recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.